Hey, sexy wizards! Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to accelerate Day 76 of DailyAIWizard's Python for AI series. After loss functions in Day 75, we're diving into optimizers, the heartbeat of neural nets, for our AI Insight Hub app. Ethan, what's the power of optimizers? Sophia, how do they build on Day 75?
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Irene, guiding with warmth. Optimizers minimize loss faster and smarter. Our demos will make your AI fly. Love our content? Buy us a coffee.
Yo, wizards, Ethan's here, dropping spicy optimizer code with winks for Sophia and Olivia. Adam, RMS prop, SGD. Let's crank this AI engine to 11.
Sophia here, Ethan, and your charms got me blushing. I'm pumped to lead our app component demos and make optimizers sizzle. Let's accelerate learning, wizards.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips, ask Anastasia questions, and chat with Ethan to keep your optimizer learning hot. Ready to speed up, wizards?
Wizards optimizers are your neural net coach, darling. They update weights to minimize loss. Ethan, explain SGD versus Adam. Sophia, how do they speed up Day 75?
Optimizers find the fastest path down the loss landscape, crucial for iris classification. Our demos will show real speed gains.
Today we're seducing you with optimizer magic. You'll master SGD, Adam, RMS prop, compare convergence, and integrate into the app. Sophia, what's the app focus? Ethan, any code highlights?
Sophia leads app demos with passion. Ethan drops hilarious code explanations. We're guiding you to master optimizers and prep for Day 77's training a neural network. Wizards, meet your Day 76 dream team. Anastasia's our main moderator with flirty charm. I'm guiding with warmth. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia and Olivia.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem. Sophia's leading app demos with passion. Ethan's stealing hearts with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you optimizer superstars. Wizards optimizers are your gradient descent coach, darling. They use momentum, adaptivity, and more. Ethan, explain Adam's magic. Sophia, how do they beat Day 75?
Anastasia, you make optimizers sound so hot. How do they improve training, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Optimizers make neural nets learn faster. Ethan, Sophia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, optimizers are like hot engines for Sophia. Adam adapts, RMS prop remembers. Let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, SGD is the OG optimizer, like a hot sprinter for Sophia. Fast but noisy. Let's drop this code beat.
You're sprinting my heart, Ethan. SGD is simple but needs tuning.
Wizards, SGD, momentum equals 0.9. Adds velocity like a hot roller coaster for Sophia. Smoother, faster. Let's drop this code beat.
You're rolling my heart, Ethan. Momentum accelerates in ravines.
Wizards, Adam, adapts like a hot chameleon for Sophia. Combines momentum and RMS prop. Let's drop this code beat.
You're adapting my heart, Ethan. Adam is default for a reason.
Wizards, RMS prop, normalizes gradients like a hot equalizer for Sophia. Great for RNNs. Let's drop this code beat.
You're equalizing my heart, Ethan. RMS prop handles non-stationary objectives.
Wizards, compare optimizers like a hot race for Sophia. Adam wins, but SGD is lightweight. Let's drop this code beat.
You're racing my heart, Ethan. Comparison shows best for Iris.
Wizards, build nets with optimizer equals Adam, like a hot experiment for Sophia. Test each. Let's drop this code beat.
You're experimenting my heart, Ethan. Different optimizers for different tasks.
Wizards, model.fit, trains with different optimizers like a hot race for Sophia. See which converges best. Let's drop this code beat.
You're racing my heart, Ethan. Training shows optimizer effects.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores optimizers like a hot judge for Sophia. Accuracy, loss. Let's drop this code beat.
You're judging my heart, Ethan. Evaluation shows best optimizer. Wizards, it's demo time. We'll integrate optimizers into the neural net classifier for AI Insight Hub, continuing from days 72 to 75. Get your setup ready.
Ensure Python, VS Code, TensorFlow, and Streamlit are installed. Wizards. Open days, 7275's files. Ethan will spice it up. Let's accelerate.
Wizards, prep to continue from days 72 to 75. Open VS Code, load prior app files, create iris_optimizer_demo.py and updated_app_iris_optimizer.py, save in Python demo. Run pip install TensorFlow Streamlit.
Sophia, you make continuation dreamy. How do we build on day 75's loss functions? Ethan, what's your take?
Start with day 75's model, add optimizer comparison, run Streamlit, run updated_app_iris_optimizer.py.
Anastasia, Olivia, optimizers are the hot sequel to day 75. Let's drop this code beat. Our first demo in iris_optimizer_demo.py compares optimizers on Iris. We'll build 4 neural nets, train, evaluate, and visualize. Let's run this.
Oh, Ethan, you're making this demo hot. Optimizer equals Atom versus SGD, total optimizer showdown.
Wizards, import TensorFlow as TF loads the deep learning engine like a hot startup for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're starting my engine, Ethan. TensorFlow powers neural nets.
Wizards, load_iris, loads data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping for AI classification. Let's drop this code beat.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Iris data is ready for optimizers.
Wizards, standard scaler, scales data like a hot transformation for Sophia. Neural nets love normalized input. Let's drop this code beat.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Scaling ensures stable training.
Wizards, sequential, stacks layers like a hot tower for Sophia. Input, hidden, output. Let's drop this code beat.
You're stacking my heart, Ethan. Sequential builds the net.
Wizards, dense, 16, activation equals, ReLU, adds neurons like a hot web for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're connecting my heart, Ethan. Dense layers learn patterns.
Wizards, model. Compile, optimizer equals, Atom sets optimizer like a hot trainer for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're training my heart, Ethan. Compile defines learning.
Wizards, model.fit, trains like a hot workout for Sophia. Epochs, batch size. Let's drop this code beat.
You're working out my heart, Ethan. Fit trains the net.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores like a hot test for Sophia. Accuracy, loss. Let's drop this code beat.
You're testing my heart, Ethan. Evaluate measures performance.
Wizards, model. Predict, predicts like a hot oracle for Sophia. Input right pointing arrow species. Let's drop this code beat.
You're predicting my heart, Ethan. Predict classifies new flowers. component demo in updated_app_iris_optimizer.py updates the app with optimizer comparison. We'll add multiple nets, evaluation, and UI. Let's run this.
Sophia, you're making this demo sizzle. Optimizer equals Atom vs SGD, total optimizer showdown. Wizards, import Streamlit as Saint sets up the app like a hot interface for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're interfacing my heart, Ethan. Streamlit builds the UI.
Wizards, Street Slider, captures input like a hot choice for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're choosing my heart, Ethan. User input powers interactivity.
Wizards, Model Predict, predicts with optimizers in Streamlit like a sexy engine.
App prediction uses neural net with optimizers for real-time results. It makes AI Insight Hub intelligent.
Oh, Anastasia, optimizers are so hot. Try app prediction in your challenge.
Wizards, Model.save, Model.h5, saves the optimized net like a sexy archive.
Saving models ensures app portability. Use HDF5 for TensorFlow models. Wizards use Atom for most tasks, SGD for fine control, and learning rate schedulers. Choose based on data.
Optimized training is so sexy, Irene. Practice for Day 77's training a neural network.
Wizards optimizers fit AI pipelines for efficient training. Your skills are ready for Day 77.
Optimizers are critical in AI, darling. Your Day 76 skills make AI irresistible. Create AI Iris optimizers.py to build, train, compare 4 neural nets with different optimizers for Iris, and build a Streamlit app. Share on Instagram.
Try optimizer equals Atom, SGD, RMS prop, and ST select box. Show us at DailyAIWizard. Prep for Day 77's training and neural network. Subscribe, like, share your AI Iris optimizers.py. Join Discord or X.
Post your code. Support us at paypal.me, John DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for Day 77's training and neural network. You've stolen my heart with optimizers. Support us at paypal.me, DailyAIWizard, and get hyped for Day 77's training a neural network.
Proud of you. Share your AI Iris optimizers.py on @DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for Day 77's training a neural network adventure.
Your optimizer skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with training a neural network in Day 77.